Assalamu alaikum. This one 30 watt USB power adapter, this one, and with a spy camera inside, have a spy camera. And this one black color, there are so many color have, and that one black color. And now I can open this one. This is the USB port, and there have camera inside. A small camera have inside there, and this side power cable. This is the power cable. I put already power cable, and they have catalog. First you can download application Lookcam. Lookcam application, download this one. And open, give allow, and first you can go Wi-Fi. Connect F, Wi-Fi name first capital F, F12, F8, F5, same like this coming. And go to application, and give the cancel, and data close. There coming the online device, open, and give the modify. They are writing old password 1 2 3 4 5 6 old password, and give the new password and confirm password, same new password and confirm password same. And without password give the cancel. See, this is the 4K resolution now. 4K resolution coming, this one. And have the 1080p. This one also 1080p have. Have the night vision system there. And this is the sound. Hello. They have the mic here. Sound coming. And first setting have the, you can go setting icon there, and Wi-Fi settings. They are coming your room Wi-Fi 2.4G, 5G not working, 2.4G, and give the Wi-Fi password. Give the Wi-Fi password, this one, and open data. Waiting 1 minute, 2 minutes, and offline coming. You can refresh, same like this. Continue, you can refresh. Now coming device online. See, now I can off night vision. See, full HD coming this one. And there have the SD camera, SD, and select SD file. They are also coming your playlist, also playback coming there. And now inside memory card no have, you can put the this one remove and put the memory card inside. This one also remove and put the memory card. Camera have the this side, this one is camera, and this one also mobile charging working, this one. And live take the video, picture, anything. See, now I can this one video take, and this one is picture save already, and have the their album.